This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, September 7th, 2019, Saturday morning. I gotta go fix a toilet for somebody. It's leaking and it's at a daycare type of thing, so there's no one there today. So I like to usually go over here when there's not a bunch of kids around. The guy said there was water leaking from the gasket underneath. He said he had put a new gasket. And I said to him, what kind of gasket do you use? He said, I use the one with the funnel or the old style. He said, I use the one with the funnel. I said, well, that's your problem. So go back there and put one in without the funnel or cut the funnel out. And I said, well, check, there might be something else. But he said he put a new gasket. And then he calls me back. He says, oh yeah, it's leaking from the back of the tank. So I'm going there. I said, well, I can go there Saturday morning and fix it, I guess. I'm on my way there now to give it the old once over. Miss Molly's got a little coat on today because it's cold out. It's probably 60 degrees out. She's got one of her sweaters on there. You love driving. You love working. You love going to work. She loves working. Gets all excited about going to work. What a life. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Be nobody around, so. It's my Miss Molly. You my buddy? You love Daddy. You're Daddy's girl. Yeah, you're Daddy's buddy. Like an American Standard. See what's going on with it. Yeah, it could be those three gaskets. A Mansfield. Could be those gaskets just have to be tightened. Let's see if it's loose. Yeah, it's a little loose, so let me get my my kit. We'll try tightening the bolts up and fill it and see if that's what it was. You can see they're green, they're a little greenish. That might be it. We'll get our kit and we'll see what we could do. But he said it was definitely leaking from there. See if we can see it leaking. Sometimes it'll spray out of here, but that's not the case. She's dripping big time. That's definitely the problem. She's loose as a goose. I just use 1/4-inch sockets, what I use. Sometimes I can tighten it, might have to replace them. We'll try tightening it first, see if it works. And the whole thing's spinning. Let's see if we can hold back with a screwdriver. If not, I'll have to just replace them. Nah, she's gonna have to cut them and replace them. Either or I can maybe back them off. I'll put new ones on there. Well, I gotta cut them off. Try to get the back one off. I'm gonna have to cut them off. I'm not sure yet. They're probably gonna have to be cut off, most likely. It's usually, if you put good brass ones in, they usually last. But sometimes these are kind of partially like white metal. They don't last. Nope. Can't get that one either. I gotta cut all three. Not great. I use a regular hacksaw blade, and I use like a little handle like this so you can jab it in there. Put it so as you when you're pulling, it's doing a cutting. This usually works pretty good. Something new I just got, so I'm gonna try it. Brass, so it should cut pretty easy. Once you get it close, you should be able to break it off with the hole in it back. Well, now it's wanting to come off. Give it a little shake action, I guess. I'm gonna replace all three. See if I get that other back one loose or something. Giving me a hard time. It don't seem to want to cut so well, did it? I'm gonna cut partially, I guess. Not easy being cheesy, mama. Not easy being cheesy. The thing that works pretty good is this thing. PVC cutter. Works pretty good on getting in there and giving it the old how you doing. Now that's why I don't put nuts under the tank. Because if you got nuts, you got to cut through the nut and the bulb, which is a lot more work. Problem was, I wasn't been able to tighten them. Sometimes you could just tighten them, but they weren't cooperating. I don't know about that back one. That back one's gonna be a real bugger. Maybe I can loosen it. Let's try it one more time. See if I can loosen it. Maybe I can loosen the back one. Hope so. She's not easy being cheesy, mama. Just wanting to spin so I can hold back. Come on off of here, baby. Oh yeah, it's coming off. God. Yeah, back one's coming off. Make my life a lot easier. Just put new bolts and washers in there and we'll be good. They're called taintable bolts. The ones I buy are all brass. They'll last forever. Here's the ones I buy. Jones Stevens is the number. They're all brass. You know, I'll just put one washer on the top, and then a regular washer on the very bottom. I don't put no nuts in between. I'll go like this. That's the way I'm going to put them in, just like that. If I ever have to cut them again, I can cut them. The only thing about these is they're a little bit on the long side. Might have an issue tightening them. Gasket, tank to bowl gasket should be fine. I don't think that's an issue. Just snug them up. With all three, you gotta kind of torque them down evenly. Kind of wiggle the bowl a little bit, make sure it's looks like the whole toilet's kind of loose on the floor still. And if it leaks, we could tighten it some more. What you wanna? You're not gonna crack it with this device because you can't get a lot of torque on it. Feel it, and we'll see if it leaks. Keep an eye on it when you flush it. We'll wipe it good and we'll give it a couple of flushes and see what happens. Make sure it's tight, you know. Seeing I didn't do that, the maintenance guy did. We were awful high there. We're gonna turn that down a little bit. Alright, that PVC saw is the best thing to use because it's rigid and I mean it can cut quick. The hacksaw blade is it does the job, but it's kind of flimsy and weak. I gotta get better blades. These aren't the best blades. I think that's what the problem is. These blades are just cheap that come with the unit. I gotta get some good ones. This thing's fine now, it's not leaking. I did reset this. So I'm down half an inch or so. I set that screw down and I'll stop. see. I don't see any more leaks. I don't see any water on the floor, so I think that's a good repair. Yeah, so sometimes you gotta cut them off. I mean, it's just how it is. I did put the cover back on.